Okay, well, Matt Gormley commented on Facebook about where the light switch is. So I'm gonna, he said right on the other side of the bathroom on the wall, and you know what? There it is. Ta-da! So I thought I'd take this video to show you the dark part that both of us, all of us couldn't see before. Fancy schmancy lights. Huge mirror. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, dry cleaning, I guess. Ironing board and iron. Nice bucket and all that. Nice little dish and so just all nice. Just this is nice. Hi. And this, what is this? Oh, makeup remover, okay. And shower cap. Vanity kit. That's usually like a toothpick or a Q-tip and a cotton swab. Conditioning. And, oh, body lotion. That must be conditioning shampoo then. Okay. Tiny little, tiny little, there's no coffee pot. Huh. No coffee pot here. So what do? Put the cup in there, and then I guess it makes coffee. And then the tea and sugars. Coffee Valley. So there you go. Bathroom. Just lovely. Thank you, Matt.